Hello, we're fixing everything, and because there is always something to be fixed today, we'll say this car engine that sometimes on idle is going around 3000 rpm, but most of the time it's around 2000, and now because I'm making the videos it's around 800, which is perfectly normal. You might have a few different issues, and one of them might be the problem. First is the vacuums, most likely, because the car has an LPG conversion. A lot of vacuums are used in the LPG conversion. Could be the throttle valve positioning sensor, could be the RPM, whatever thing is called that controls the idle RPM, and could be the ground of the computer, could be the computer, and could be the throttle body somewhere. The easiest thing we're gonna get is a bottle of water, and we're gonna spray all of the connections here where I can find a vacuum. And also, because this evaporates from the heat, I will spray, and because now it's idling normally, I was thinking to start with the water to see where it's taking vacuum from, yeah. But because it's running normally, I will spray some flammable liquid. You can get a spray bottle with petrol and just spray petrol. I don't have petrol in me, so I'll just spray this and we'll listen if the engine somewhere goes up in RPM. The throttle body on this one is located right here, so I'll give it a good amount of spray. Don't forget the vacuum hose on the brakes. Could be also there is some seals on the inlet manifold. They could be the problem as well. Okay. Well, I guess it's not a vacuum. It could be the vacuum, but not right now. Now, if you give me the bottle of water, I'll just have this bottle of water and I'll pinch a little hole right in here so I can spray everywhere. Yeah, you get it? I'll start the car and we'll see if we can hear a sound somewhere. It's very distinctive sound. It's like surfing from a ball of water. No, nothing. Well, these levers, without that, it's not a vacuum problem. What I'm gonna have to do now is get to the throttle body to see if there is no sludge in there or anything that can prevent the valve, the throttle body valve, from closing and opening, and the air control valve for the idle RPM in such a way that it's stuck open or something like this. So could be a temperature sensor as well, because this is engine, it's very popular for clogging up these valves. I'll just do a little time lapse and I'll take a few things apart. We'll get to the throttle body to see what state it is in. I think we can now have a pretty decent idea of why. Can you see all this sludge? I think this is the problem. I'm not 100% certain, but I definitely think that this is it. Okay, we can see the idle control valve sticking up right there. Right there. And yeah, this is pretty oily. I don't even know how to take it apart, so I need to watch a video or something on how it's connected. So I'll start dismantling until I can get to this here. There you go. I think you can see it now. Okay, I just couldn't, it's glued into place. You should remove all these 4 bolts and then pull it down, and there is a couple of pipes with water coming through, and it's not a quick job. So I just took some carburetor cleaner, then here underneath is the opening of the air control valve file. So I just sprayed a lot of carburetor cleaner on the back. Someone siliconed this side here, so when I wiped it, so much silicone it came out. I wonder how much went into the engine as well. Sorry that you can't see, but okay, just like so, and I will get on the inside and try to pull as much debris as I could, and I think this will be it. Unfortunately, I can't deal with cleaning this one right now. Maybe I can, you know, once this rubber garment, slave or whatever you want to call it, was cut in the middle. So if you have a problem, check this one as well. Okay, I will put everything back in, and maybe there will be no problem with the RPM right now, but you don't know, maybe later. So I'll put in the comments if there was any other problem. If not, we'll count it's fixed, although it's not fixed. Well, that's my call on the higher RPM. I hope the video has been helpful to you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye. I just started up, it's working normally. Now I just switched on LPG. I can't say what was the problem really. Yeah, have a look at the comments, or I'll make another video as well if the problem continues. But for me it's the throttle body, and especially the back side where we couldn't clean it.